Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by disconnecting the battery, confirm the vehicle is level, and remove the sunshade trim. This prevents electrical damage and lets you access components. Once done, test the switch with a multimeter to see if power reaches the motor. That tells you whether the fault is electrical or mechanical. Make sure to document wire colors and fastener locations so reassembly is exact. This reduces errors later and speeds the repair. You'll remove headliner clips carefully to expose the motor and cable drive assembly. Once open, manually move the panel to feel where it binds and identify worn teeth or a frayed cable. Next, clean both rails and rollers. Grit causes binding. Then lubricate with silicone spray for smooth sliding and light white lithium grease on metal guides to reduce wear. If the motor brushes or cable drum show damage, replace them. That fixes most non-electrical failures. You reattach the motor and cables, then reconnect the battery and calibrate the sunroof by holding the close switch until it auto-seats. This teaches the controller the limits. Make sure drains are clear and the glass sits flush. If it still binds, recheck cable tension and guide alignment and clear any remaining debris. If the sunroof has no movement, use a continuity test on the switch and fuse. Replace faulty fuses or the switch to restore power and finish the repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.